Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in a cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And we say attack. So, right about now, people, there's a news. We have make big headlines over UK. You understand? Over England. Involving some Jamaicans. Basically, a Jamaican, Nyama man, who them say go around the whole place them from county to county. You understand? From Manchester to Leicester to over London to over there. So eating. And them say this man people is one of the bossy Nyamas them. Very bossy, very hype. Well viewers and subscribers. Now, it is where a voice note went viral of a female companion. In this voice note, they like talking, so she have to release the thing them because basically this man people managed to come so boom, they with her, but in at the end, Gina and thing, they understand, tell some lies and thing, maybe forget. You know what I mean? But she never know, and then comes us to bumps now. She found out that the man have a life, a different life, but when they do further checks, they found out that this man people basically have a lot of different, you know what I mean, people involved with them. Something there. So now my viewers and subscribers, what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to share this recording with you all so you can get the full understanding of where the whole thing has come from. And then, because in the end, the female who the voice note go out there, I get a lot of bashing her picture, circulate and thing. But she a talk the whole thing because she reach out to the attacking boss and she explained the full thing. And I have a recording where she explained the full thing, what go on with the man, how the man get for general and thing, and make sure you know how that voice note get for go out there. And you know what I mean? So we can't get the full understanding on her side because a lot of people are bash her. I say she this, I say she that, I say she, you know what I mean? A bag of thing them attack. So let me just play the first segment of it, people, so we can understand what I go on. Because, yo, rated A. Okay? Because you don't know what channel said not made for kids. Rated A. Adult only.
Dylan, don't me tell us it. You never have to, don't me tell us if you keep it real. I didn't want a man that had somebody, Dylan. I would never have done that to that lady. Dylan, you come here and have me sit on your face so much times and them something, Dylan, and you have your woman a yard, Dylan. Come inside of me how much time, Dylan, without condom? You turn off your SIM card, but I put a SIM card in the phone, so the phone's still been ringing. Dylan, did you think you could play me? Don't you know I got a sex video of you in the living room sucking out my pussy, Dylan? Did you think you could play me?
Sorry, people.
Me know your boss phone, but you don't call me. You don't call me. Shall I meet Simone and thing?
Me not have enough phone. Me not have nothing. Me try get
No. So you go home today, or you go come here and pay me all the money and me not make this woman know everything. Cause Dylan, me tempted to send her everything in my phone, you know. The video them everything for the whole night. How you naked outside, everything. Me have videos and pictures of her keys. The Mercedes keys was hers, Dylan. It wasn't yours.
Dylan, I cry.
Dylan, why you never tell me say you had a woman and you lived with a woman, Dylan? When I told you I thought I had corona, you came here. Same way, you could have given the lady daughter corona, Dylan.
Dylan?
Hello? Nobody with the crying, Dylan. Nobody with the crying. So you really thought you could play me, Dylan? Eh?
Hear me. I'm gonna try to get a chip on color.
Hey, no ramp with me, no, cause me tempted to send Simone. Me have Simone number, you know. You want me to tell her Simone number? Let me tell her Simone number. Simone's son. Me never know say a mad dog and baby mother you there with Dylan. Eh? Simone's son and my cousin are good friend. 07904.
Let me get a chip on color.
You have to go pay me a 5 bills today, Dylan. Today, before you go home. Do anything you want to do?
We want for this.
So hold on. it's not about that. Remember, I didn't know. And you come here how much weekend. Hold on, 1 sec. You came here how much weekend? How much time you ride off your face and then something there? All of it on video. DILL0N, me tempted to send it to Andy Romain. You know how much people call me Bugsy? Sean. You give me number to Sean? My personal number? DILL0N, you change all my name in your phone to Mika. Who is Mika? Who is Mika? Me tempted to send you to me tempted to release the sex tape. Me tempted to really fuck you up, DILL0N. Don't your friend them warn you. Don't your friend did warn you and said don't hurt people and make people because you know you can't offer yourself to people. And you trick blood clot me and what you think say could I just trick me and fuck me and that's it? Eh?
Boy, DILL0N. Well, my people, I be things, because in the video also, the voice note circulate people. You have the video, you understand, I you can see display this with DILL0N in a handcuff and something. So, why something went on with DILL0N because DILL0N is just a man who, I don't know people, something alright with DILL0N because them say from county to in just a trick the woman and a eat. I just that a film thing, he just love the eat. Why? So, I got to play the voice note now, people. Where this lady right now was getting a lot of bashing people and she make some clarification to make people know. So look at her. In the end, she found out about him generalship people, right? And she do come so boom and get for contact, which is woman where him live with. And they do have a discussion and they plan a thing and things. So she said even when the 5 bills stupid, it's not like she didn't want to personally take her money from them because she's not desperate like that for 5 bills, you know what I mean? But she just a play him because she and the other one was playing that game. I know that's something them two can play that game, then they play a game to try to catch up on him because it wasn't that just him live with that woman and have she a deal with people. But them say, as me I tell us from different parts, there's a different parts. A lot of people are worried right now. People are about say, yo, this woman, I be something with DILL0N, only justice and judge knows with people. Let me play where the lady now is speaking out and explaining her side of the whole thing, people. So, why?
Okay, this voice note is just to clarify a few things regarding the voice note of myself and the man sitting in handcuffs semi-naked in my house. I see where a lot of people are saying I'm wicked and me did I try to extort the man and there's a lot more to the story. Okay, so me and this man there, him tell me say him live with him 16-year-old daughter. Just him and him daughter. Me have it say him did a work, good job, drive a Mercedes, well established man. Me myself, I'm currently studying a law degree, also working and I have a 9-year-old child. Okay, so I tell him, say, him can't come to my house during the week because I have my son. I'm going to allow my son to meet no man. So he would have come on the weekends. I see where a lot of people are saying, I should have do research on why me never got the man yard. Because my son there on the weekends, I say, okay, I have him 16-year-old daughter. It would have easier for him to come to my house. So I never really question nothing or try to go too deep. About 8 days ago, I confiscated him phone. Him come here, not Saturday gone, the Saturday before, he was here. And I confiscated him phone. I've had the phone is still in my possession. A lot of women started ringing the phone, different women that he was involved with. I then found out that he lived with somebody. He was living with a lady and her 4 kids. None of the kids are his. Mm-hmm. Him did tell me say he have 2 kids, a 6-year-old and a 16-year-old. I get to find out say him also have a 14-year-old daughter and a son in Jamaica. And he treated me. I found out that he wasn't minding the children and so on. When I spoke to the lady that he lived with, I said twice, it don't make sense because I'm always up on the phone with him. I'm quite miserable, like he know him after call me and him something. Yeah. And she said to me, say, our house is a 3-story house. Me I talk to this man in the bedroom. For sure you the man wicked. The man in bed at night time, I talk to the man. There's no woman next to him. And I like him even having headphone. I try hide or keep down him voice. I talk to him in the bathroom, in my bed for 1 hour. If him in the kitchen, I cook. She explained to me, say our house is a 3-story house and they're hardly ever in the same room. She say, sometimes she did a thing, so she overhear him, like she overhear him I talk to a woman and he must say she go mad, like him I deny it. Yeah? But even said to her, I say, what story him come home and tell you about him phone because of me have him phone. And she said him tell her, say, police did run him down and him run in a one bush and I hide for 2 hours and the phone drop out in the bush.
Wow.
I found out that the Mercedes that he was driving was hers, not his. So her keys was actually at my house for a week, and I asked her what reason did he give you about the keys, and she told me same say the key did get wet, and him did take off the house key them off of the car key and leave it at him friend house for dry. Just to show them the type of man me did a deal with the women never know. See, I saw the man lying wicked. You know, I see people making comments saying, you know, before you sleep with a man or whatever, you're supposed to do research. The woman that he lived with for 4 years never knows he never have no papers, never knows he never have a driving license, never knows he never have not even a bank card in his name. Yeah? Me find out say this, he was driving the woman Mercedes without license. Him tell the lady say him drive a license the other house where him pay the mortgage for. Him tell the lady say him have him stay and the other house where him pay the mortgage for. Bearing in mind this house does not exist. So he was working, doing a cashing hand job. Him tell the lady say that when him get fee pay, him tell her say the pay have to pay the mortgage. So then she take fear and money now and I mind him, I buy up him designer clothes them and you know, and I look after him, pay him bills, kind of pay no bills in the woman house. So when me find out about the lady, I was pissed. I was honestly pissed. I could not believe it. Because I said it not even make sense because I always depend on the phone with this man. So the voice note on the ear, the voice note will leak. I called him on his boss's phone. Yes, I called him and you know I was angry. I said certain things and yes, it leaked out there to the public. The part where I said about £500, you know, I wasn't actually serious about. I wasn't trying to extort him. Cause even the lady where him live with, she did actually say to me, say keep on with it, and you know, he came here that same Wednesday. This voice note was made last week Wednesday, and he came to my house the Wednesday night to explain himself. Go down on bended knees, crying, and him never go home to him yard till the following day. Well, I mean, him left my yard, him did have to leave my house, but him never go home to the lady to explain himself to her till the following day.
Whoa.
And you know, a lot of women call the phone. I see people, one woman call and say him suck her in the Mercedes. Different women I call. When I say like over 10 different women call and I say this man suck them, you have unprotected sex with them. So I didn't know the type of man that I was dealing with. So what you heard was just a lot of anger, a lot of frustration, and me reacting to everything that I found out about this man. Sometime in December, I tell him some of the thing that did have the coronavirus. And him still turn up at my house. I don't know, he never tell me him did I come. Turn up with food, juice, and so on. And when I open the door to him, I say, imagine me tell him me have me think me have a virus and you still come. You know? So that's why you hear me on the voice note in shock. I said to him, I can't believe you actually delivered a lady and our kids. And me did I tell you, me did think I have the virus and you still come on my yard. Remember me no know say him live with a woman? You still come on my yard, you could have carried that home if I did it, me did have, me never get the test or not, me no know. But him could have carried it if I did it. Say for instance, the woman child did have asthma or something, you carry it, go home, go kill off the woman, pitney them or the woman. So what you're hearing that voice note is a lot of anger, a lot of disbelief, shock, and frustration. However, there's a video going around with a woman urinating in a man's mouth. That's not me and that's not him. Okay? I think somebody, because they've heard the voice note going around saying, yes, there's a video of him doing such act. Somebody now take that and have the fake video go around with the voice note and him in the handcuffs. So, I mean, that's the real story behind what's taking place.
Boy, my people, I be things. And only Jah sees and he knows what really is going on. They understand only Jah sees and he knows. But all we can tell you is viewers and subscribers. Why? This man here, I don't know, something alright with him, people. Zane, something alright with him. No, sir. So, I have more voice notes recording, people, and it is where conversation now with either the real woman, you understand, do get involved. That's conversation with the real woman who him live with now. Personally, I did not tell this a female, you know. You understand who lead this stuff, the man. Release the, you know what? Why? Let me just see if we can fit you. Cause there's so much things that this a look man alive people. There's so much about that boy. That's what Vice not there NEWLINK. Oh my pearl, oh my peaches square. Eh? So, let me see.
There's a girl called Natalie Rowe. She's from Edmonton. Same kind of thing. She called me. We know cool. She called me. She told me everything about him and whatnot. She told me that Dylan said to me. No, she told me that Dylan gave her a STD or whatever, and she said that he was the one that said no. She get to him. So yeah, there's he carries things. He carries things. Yeah, I don't run them out there because I've never had a STD, STI, nothing in the alphabet. I've never had nothing. So yeah, if I was your baby girl, I'll go get yourself checked out.
Jano, DILL0N grown and everyone. Boy, let me release these people. Why?
I even found that Dottie Rochelle cussed her off. And the girl turned around and said, Simone, you're still there with the man after how much time he cheats on you. He don't rate you. That's what she's talking to. He don't rate you. Wait. You know what? Cool. That's how it might look to other people. And for real, he don't. To a certain degree. Because he's doing bare fuckery. But yo, me and you're supposed to be like family.
Why?
You see him at my yard and you fucked him. I cost you. You said, no, you're not going to talk to him ever again. And now you're following his phone. But even Dottie DILL0N, what? She was meant to be blocked and deleted. Yo, the guy, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's mad. And the wickedest thing is, I want to know who's calling his phone. I want to talk to everyone. I want to know everything. Even though I know I'm never going to go back there, I still want to know. I want to know who's calling his phone. And yeah, there's something in that phone. Babe, get rid of the phone. Don't give him back that phone or that SIM card. There's something in there. Always that phone. That phone, too much problems.
Why?
Too much.
What?
Wow. No, that's cool, babe. That's cool. Do what you gotta do. Tell me you want the money, yes? Tell me you want the money, yeah, and keep it up.
So, yes, Scully, that last voice message there here, tell about the money. So, that's the idea of them chipping out people off it, play them about the 5 bills, you understand? Which eventually, she said she never take it from him, you understand? I don't know how I go on. She said she never take it. Well, people, this man I know DILL0N. They are UK, you know. See? Why I don't know people, them say, him give other people the ST something there, so. I don't know why in my mind, in my mentality, and why I'm a carry on like this. See? Now this thing released and gone viral, making big headlines in UK, people. So much things. And to tell you the truth, people, them say this man is one of the most hypest man in the UK. Because the human Benzo have an him drive up him hype. Be a Gucci, be a Louis Vuitton. When him going to party, people, him not drink, they look cheap something them, you know. You understand that the highest grade of liquor him drink. Him are the man at the party. The hypest thing over there. So now, people, I hear him up there cry like a baby. You hear him sounding like a little baby. When trouble take your picnic shot fit you, crying like a baby now. After everything. But all I can say, viewers and subscribers, me now wish bad pa no man don't fall. I mean now wish bad pa no man. See? Because me a man too. But what me I say is, and why me really come, because the victim, which is the female who released the voice note link attacking bars and say, yo, she just want to make fear side of the thing be known out there because the voice note go out there and you know what I mean thing. So, if DILL0N now willing to link the attacking boss and come forward and give him side to the thing too, about him eating thing and about eating from county to county and about him ST thing, him free if he come link up and, you know what I mean, give him thing. Because I'm not going to say DILL0N go. No. You know what I mean? Because in the end, people, everybody want to clear them near, everybody want to get themselves clear. Because the thing done gone out there already, they went viral already. And I said the people have reached the attacking boss. You know what I mean, people? And when we check the facts and we say, all right then, boom. So, viewers and subscribers, all I can say, I just wish these people the best. Hope they can fix them thing, fix their life, you know what I mean, fix the situation. And as I said, what they can really learn from this, because everybody have to learn from mistake, and people do make mistake in life. You know, you have someone out there, a real con artist, I know that just like you have someone a real general and con artist, same way. So man play the game, woman do play the game too. A man, just like us, them say the man come be in a relationship and he never tell her, say you have a next and she never know. Then you have woman who do the same thing to man. You know what I mean? But it's a situation now where why things just go out there, and she said she did angry and she talk certain things, yeah, which me know about differently still people. DILL0N, it's not a good look. Not a good look. Get yourself sorted out. Remember, and if you want to link the attacking boss, go over IG, DM, boom. You don't know the thing. So viewers and subscribers, I'm more loving the people and more respect, and just stay blessed out there and stay safe on the ground. Peace, love, and respect. And if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell. So as I drop a video, you will get it. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe. Attack. Fully attack. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Big up on yourself. Peace out.